Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how easy it is how to install latest version of Java on your Windows computer. If this sounds interesting to you, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, and let's head over to my computer screen so that I can show you step by step how to do this. Let's go. Now guys, as you can see, I'm on my screen here, right? And the first thing I'm going to show you is that I don't have Java installed. And I'm going to just go ahead and click on the Windows key here and type CMD. I will run this as administrator, and I'm going to just type CLS, and I'm going to type Java-versions, right? And here you can see that I don't have Java on my computer, right? So I'm going to just exit this. And now what we need to do is get Java. So all you have to do, guys, is just open up your browser and type Oracle Java, right? Once you do that, you will see the Oracle Java website. So what you want to do is just simply click the Java downloads option here, the second one in the list, and you'll be taken back to the page here. Now you need to choose if you're on Windows, Linux, or Mac, right? So I'm on Windows, so I'm going to choose the Windows option here. And I will choose the installer of 64-bit right here. So I'm going to choose the second option here, and I'm going to just select it to start download. It's going to take a couple seconds. And here you can see that mine is already downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and run that file. And I'm going to allow this Java application to install. And you can see that there's a path here. I'm going to select next and allow this to install. Now you can see that it's successful install. Alright guys, so the next thing that you want to do is simply open up your file explorer, and you want to find your C drive. So go to your C drive. You can find it by computer, or you can just simply click local C drive here. Then program files, right? Then you want to go ahead and choose Java here. You will see the Java JDK file. Then select bin, and you want to go ahead and you want to copy this path, right? Now guys, now the next thing that you want to do is just simply click on the Windows icon and type environment variables. Here you want to go ahead and click that. Then under advanced, you want to click environment variables. Then you want to select path here under system variables, then click edit. Then what you want to do is just simply copy from here where you see the open SSH/C. You want to go ahead and remove that and simply place the path that you had copied. Then click OK. Then go ahead and choose new, and then you want to type Java_home. Now you just want to simply use the same path that you had copied before and the variable values. The only thing that you want to do now is just make sure that you remove the bin. So you just want to leave it just like this as program files, Java, and the JDK-21, and just simply click OK. Then once you click OK again here, you can go ahead and close out of this. And now you can test it now. So just go ahead and click Windows there and type CMD again. Run this as administrator. Then type CLS and type Java _version. And here you can see, guys, that we now have the latest version of Java installed. And that's how easy it is, guys. Now I really hope that you found some value within this video. And if you do, go ahead, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, and see you next time for another tutorial just like this one.